What's up, everybody? Welcome to the ReCoop. I'm your host, Cooper Daniels, and today is Monday. How the hell are you doing? What is going on? It's Monday. I went to a wedding this weekend. It was beautiful. Nice, happy young couple. No kids. Their whole lives ahead of them. Good luck, assholes. Just kidding. How the hell's everybody doing? What's going on? What the hell are you people doing? The market is not happy with us. You know what I mean? It's feeling a little angry, except for if you're in Solana. I mean, Solana doesn't work, but we don't care. The price is going up, folks. So much money. I'm glad I bought AVAX. Anybody else buy AVAX? I bought some AVAX. Feeling pretty good about that decision so far. We'll see what happens. They can always rug us. Are you guys deep into meme coins? Don't you feel it waning a little bit? Can't you guys feel the energy dwindling just a little bit? This is the top, folks. Now you're just messing around. Don't forget, the music will stop. Or will meme coins like Splurg, Blurg, and Poopy on Tacos fucking just keep on going up forever because nothing matters? I doubt it, folks. At some point, people will take their profits and move them into things that they believe they're actual assets. That's okay, though. There's still money to be made. There's for sure money to be made. How are we doing? We got a big week this week. We got Reddit IPOs coming up this week. I think that they're going to price that thing on Wednesday, and it probably goes live on Thursday. But we can look at that. I'm sure there's going to be an article about it somewhere when we scroll. Also, the FOMC meeting. We're going to hear Jerry, Big Pow, Big Daddy Pow. He's going to say, hey, no rate cuts. No rate hikes, no rate cuts, buddy. Then we're going to listen to the dude talk, and we're going to be like, dude, you're talking. And he's going to be like, yeah, I am. I'm talking. And then he's either going to say some things that are going to make the market go up or go down. But I have a feeling with the recent inflation numbers, the things that he says is going to probably pare back expectations of rate cuts. Rate cuts would be fantastic for assets like Bitcoin and gold and risk. How are you fucking people doing? Are you in the chat? What are we doing? I'm a little beat up from this week, and I'm always a little beat up, always recovering. Or anybody else like that? Anybody else just not take good enough care of themselves? I finally feel like I'm, for the most part, on the other side of this illness, which is making me pretty happy. I did pretend to launch a token on Sol last night called Hot Garbage with the ticker Hot G. I don't know how to launch a shit coin on Sol. I'm sure I could figure it out, but I'm not really going to do that. So I believe only one person sent me any Sol. Yeah, I think only one person sent me any Sol. So if you'd like your Sol back, just reach out, man, and I'll send it back to you. Otherwise, I'm going to buy some Glizzy Pepe on Sol with it. How about that? I'll contribute to the cause. So what do we got? We got Vince saying, good morning, good morning. What's up, Vince? How you doing, Samino? Good morning, Samino. Nice to see you here. Winter. Wrap it up, boys. It was fun. Get ready for another winter. Let's not call for another winter. We all know what's coming on. I just said, is it over? So people would come in. They're going to manipulate this shit down, but we got the halving next month. We got the special episode for the halving on 420 coming. Everybody needs to tune in to the ReCoop on Saturday, 420, for the halving episode. We're going to have some fun. I'll have some guests. There's going to be a prerequisite for you attending the show, though. Bank on. Let's go. What's going on? Did I miss it? You didn't miss it, buddy, man. You're still here. You made it. Good morning, Platform & Co. Disco Dave's in the building. What's up, man? Christopher Swenner says that we were rich for a minute. Man, didn't the good old days? You know what I mean? The good old days. Is Algorand over? Did I miss it? You missed it, man. The show's over. It really is underperforming, though, isn't it? Which is fine by me. Nothing matters anymore. Underperform, overperform. Life is love. Love is life. You know what I'm saying? I know you know what I'm saying. What's up, Coop? That's me. I'm Coop. What's up, Fisherman? I'm neck deep in shitcoin. Fisherman is always neck deep in Fisher. But so you can't listen to a guy like Fisherman when it comes to being neck deep in meme coin, because Fisherman is a disciplined guy. I mean, I don't know how disciplined, but he's certainly disciplined enough to be making money off all this shit. So if you were like super long Elizabeth Horn and whatever the hell it is that you're in, Elizabeth Horn's pretty funny. I mean, that's pretty funny. But if you're really into it, just learn how to make money off of it. Don't be the idiot that's just holding too long. Or you could just be me, and people sometimes give it to you, and you just let it sit there and watch it go to zero. So many times. So many times. Sometimes I sell a little bit if I need some scrap algo. What's up? All right. Can someone send me $10 million for a new coin called Slorf? Yeah, I mean, why isn't anybody sending me 10 million? Sol, I'll do something. I'll make a coin. Why don't we we should make a shit coin on Sol called Ghost Chain. And the logo will be Sylvia. They might like that, right? I think they might like that. We gotta figure out new ways to appeal to the masses. There's a bridge. It leads directly to my bank. That's what I'm saying. That's what I tried to insinuate about hot garbage, hot G. Nobody wants hot garbage. See, that's not an idea to run with, because the memes are just going to be steaming piles of trash. And I just feel like the irony in that is not funny. It's just too on the nose. So hot G wouldn't work. Maybe Ghost Chain would, though. Howdy, fam. What's up, GFY? Yo. All right, let's go. Relax and Sleep is here. Good morning, everyone. Nice hairstyle. Thanks, man. Got a haircut. Can you make videos about how rich you are? That is how I'm going to make money. Oh, man. My wife, those would be comedies. Those would definitely be slapstick comedies to my wife if I did videos about how rich I am. She'd be like, oh, are you so, buddy? Where's the fucking backyard with the pool? Honey, BlackRock did it. It's not me and my decisions. It's BlackRock. They're buying all the property. Oh, shut the fuck up, Cooper. It's not the way she talks to me. So yeah, the FOMC, yeah, kind of. Actually, no, she doesn't say it like that. I wouldn't tolerate that. Be a man. And I'd be like, no, you be quiet. She's like, shut the fuck up, bitch. And I'm like, you just silence yourself for a moment, please. Oh my God. Stop it. I can't hear myself think. Meanie. Oh my God. What's going on with my life, folks? All right. Okay. So FOMC meeting, Reddit. Are you guys buying the IPO? Are you excited? Are you juiced up? You feeling all ready to go? Own some Reddit? You're going to be a degen? You're going to be the guy that is part of the rocket ship to $4,000 Reddit shares? I'm just kidding. But I think I think they're way oversubscribed. So this is obviously going to pump. Now, what are the Redditors going to do? Because there's no lockups on their shares. Are they going to say, all right, the institutions are trying to create FOMO from all the idiots. We're going to short the shit out of this because we know what they're going to do. And then they're just going to drive the price real cheap. And then we're all going to be able to buy in real cheap? Probably not, folks. I think everybody will lose their balls when they see $35 Reddit stock and they're just going to buy it and they're not going to sell. What do you guys think? I have no idea. All I know is that they're valuing it at about $6 billion. It was recently valued at $10 billion, and I think Pinterest is at over $20 billion. They're in a little bit of trouble for what? Selling their users' data for AI models or something? Is that what they're doing? I don't know. I just read the headline like 3 days ago, so I could be forgetting. Can't wait until Wall Street Bets decides to pamp it. On Algo, we are poor and happy. Folks, are we happy, though? Bank On says that we're poor and happy. Are we happy? Are you happy? If you aren't happy, you got to tune into the ReCoop because we're just going to fuck around all the time. I'm looking for a Reddit entry. If it dips, I won't be touching it unless it drops below IPO, kind of like Airbnb. All right. So Wilder's saying that if this thing goes around 31, 34, he's looking to buy in the 20s. Is that what you're saying, Wilder? Yeah, it's Buddy, man. Hey, you bought the Coinbase top, baby. Did you buy it like at $400 or $500? How high did it get? I bought Coinbase down from like 110 down to like 40. It was painful, but now it's fine. So, I mean, I guess if you bought, how high did Coinbase get? It got up there really high. And I remember being like, this seems outrageous. Oh, he has one share. Okay. So he has one share. So we're not going to worry about that. Blockchain is about peer to peer usage. Let the meme lottery tickets and investing usage run. Algo waits the future. Mel is in the building. You know what I mean? Let the meme lottery tickets, investing usage run. Algo waits the future. You know, yeah, I agree. And I hope that it all plays out. I will say that I'm not anti meme coin. If you think that I'm saying, oh, the top is near, it just feels like it, right? I mean, we've been through this so many times. At what point are we going to be like, all right, we kind of know what's going down? Instead of every time like a fucking pack of, what like shiny things? Dogs? I don't know. Something that like shiny things. It's just like every time the price goes up, oh, so this could go up forever. And then you go look at it like, oh shit, we're gonna be multimillionaires off of fucking cough drop wrapper on picture. That's amazing. Look at how funny that is. They stuck the cough drop wrapper on the picture with the bubble gum. Sorry, I'm being fucking old. But it could last a little bit longer. Who knows? Who knows? We're starting to see random things pop up on in Algorand. That usually means that it's getting a little dense out there. Stacy with hat. I got 500 sent to me today. At least Stacy with hat is, it's a pretty picture of Stacy. She's got a fucking hat on. Okay. All right, folks, who gives a shit? Okay, so let's move on. Let's scroll the news because I have not a ton of time today. I'll have more time tomorrow, though. But let's go. What am I doing? That's not right. I need to share my screen, not do that. Okay. Okay, the markets, though, aren't so scared of Jerry. Markets aren't feeling fear. Let's see. We got the Dow up 0.25%. We got the S&P 500 up 0.75%. And then we got the NASDAQ up 1%. The only 0.25% down on the Russell. Alphabet is leading tech up. Pops on the report that Apple's in talks to license Gemini AI for iPhones. Man, what work is Apple doing in AI? I think they're desperately buying some companies. But man, are they really going to let themselves fall behind because of their work in AI? Saudi Aramco CEO, energy transition is failing. World should abandon fantasy of phasing out oil. Oh, I wonder why you think that, sir. At this point, I agree though. Like, sure, let's do alternatives, but we're not going anywhere away from oil anytime soon. All right, move over gold. Copper is now breaking out according to the charts. How to play it? All right, get your copper journals. Tesla's a top selling car company in Norway. Putin won re-election, and everyone says that's not true, and they're probably right. All right, let's go to Bloomberg real quick. There you go. Apple without AI looks more like Coca-Cola than a high-growth tech stock. TSMC bulls ignore Buffett's warning and stick to AI bet. Okay, so Apple buys Canadian AI startup. There you go. Was that natural gas, LNG? Natural gas is low. The US and Japan team up to warn against nuclear weapons in space. All right. Yeah, let's get the nuclear weapons out of fucking space. Jesus. All right. FTX bankruptcy trade mints 200% windfall. I mean, imagine right now FTX is selling Sol for 200 and whatever, $5, and then they're repaying people back at $19 a share. Imagine the killing these fucking people are making. The lawyers, the Novogratz that are handling it. Like, these people are scam artists. It's amazing, right in front of us. They got the high five from the US government, and now they're just fucking printing money. It's amazing. The blockchain doesn't even work, and it is just ripping. I mean, it works, I guess, sometimes, right? Most times. Sam Bankman-Fried considered blaming lawyers and the woke agenda to protect his image. He wanted to go on Tucker Carlson and come out as a Republican. He's like, how can I fix this? Let's just blame everybody. Node monkeys. Is this refreshed? Or is this old? Yeah, okay. I felt old. Felt like I'd already read that shit. Bitcoin could experience a positive demand shock from registered investment advisors. Dog with hat, meme coin's iconic photo sold as an NFT for $4.3 million. We're nowhere. I mean, that's some top ass shit. What do you got? Binance crypto exchange users' assets surpassed 100 billion. The milestone was reached following strong inflows and rising digital asset prices in March. Base is pumping, even though there's no token. Blockworks. Ba-do-do-do. Buddy-dee-dee. Starbucks shutters its Odyssey NFT program. Fidelity's Bitcoin fund becomes fifth most popular of all ETFs in 2024. Bitcoin ETF's hot start seems largely driven by retail investors. Solana meme slurf. Okay, let's read this bullshit. I'm not sharing. Sorry, guys. Slurf, a sloth-themed meme coin on the Solana network, raised $10 million in a so-called pre-sale and quickly gained popularity, even though the developer mistakenly burned the liquidity provider in tokens. The launch of Slurf comes as developers are raising millions of dollars in pre-sales, contributing to a surge in the price of Solana's Sol token, which crossed the $200 mark for the first time since November 2021. One of the newest ones was has chalked up multiple exchange listings, a 1.7 billion trading volume, and thousands of unique holders in a few hours after going live, despite a major fumble. Slurf, a sloth-themed meme coin on the Solana that raised $10 million in pre-sale on Monday. The token is among several that have emerged as pre-sales. However, the developer behind the project ended up losing all the received funds after accidentally sending the tokens to a burn address. I burned the LP and the tokens that were set aside for the airdrop. Mint authorities already revoked, so I cannot mint them. There's nothing I can do to fix this. I'm so fucking sorry. floated on Solana-based exchanges, including Jupiter and Orca, and the price surged to as high as 1.4 within a few hours from an initial value near 3 cents. So far, Slurf has chalked up 1.8 billion in trading volume and 500,000 individual trades from 106,000 traders. Traders made millions of dollars by betting on the newly launched tokens. On-chain analysis tool Look On Chain posted one trader made over 3 million in a little over 12 minutes from an initial amount of 1.9 million. Slurf's launch came on the back of an ongoing narrative that has been developers raising millions of dollars, usually in SOL tokens, on the promise of a meme coin airdrop. Some on-chain watchers estimate that over 100 million worth of tokens were sent to such pre-sales over the weekend. The frenzy contributed toward the SOL price crossing $200 for the first time since 2021. Whatever. All right. Good luck, folks. Get your slurf on. We're in extreme greed. We got Bitcoin sitting above 67, down on the week by 7.5%, outperforming Ether on the week, though, which is down to 13. The volume is pretty low, but yesterday was Sunday. Tether, some bad news coming from Tether, which we did not see. But I believe that OKX is delisting all of the USDT pairs in Europe. Solana is up almost 35% over the last 7 days with massive volume, catching up to Ethereum's volume, which we never see. Almost up to $100 billion market cap. So there you go, $198. BNB is down almost 6% over the last 24 hours. XRP is red across the board at 60 cents. Avalanche is doing well. It's up 34% in the last week, 13% in the last 24 hours, $63. Doing good. Good job, Avalanche. Polkadot fallen, down 3% over the last 24 hours, 10% in the last 7 days. Ba-do-do-do-ba-dee-dee-dee. All right. So Pepe pushing down, Thorchain pushing down, but still up there in $8. Dog with Hat up 30% in the last 7 days, $2.72. Algorand. You can build Coop on top of it. It's at 25 cents, down 13%, down 10% in the last 24 hours, holding on to a $2 billion market cap with all of its gusto. All right. Algo. Let's go to Vestige real quick. And then we got to get out of here. We won't be rushed tomorrow, though. Okay. Chips is doing fine. Let's see. Opal is almost 20 cents again. So that's doing pretty good. Coop holding on to 5 cents for its dear life, $1 million market cap. Saying, please let me have this. GORA cooled off a little bit, but still in the high 30s. Kita doing all right. There you go. Nico's on the front page. $500,000 market cap, almost $200,000 in TVL. Welcome to the front page, Nico. Pretty impressive. I've held on to my drop. Have you held on to yours? All right. Decrypt. Algo. Binance CEO predicts Bitcoin will exceed 80,000 on increasing demand. Standard Chartered predicts Bitcoin will reach 250,000 by 2025. All right. That's it. Folks, I appreciate you. Thanks for showing up. Sorry it was a quick one again, but we're doing great. To all the new viewers, I'm happy to have you here. I'll be back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Eastern. We'll have a longer show. It'll be fun. And yeah, have a great rest of your Monday. It's a packed week. Come join me. We'll figure out what Jerry's going to do on Wednesday. We'll see how the Reddit IPO is going to go. Let's see how this shakes out with Solana, meme coin season, and Bitcoin and everything. You know what I mean? Here we are. Welcome. So like the video, subscribe on YouTube, follow me on Twitter. Let's do it all.